In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to green screen in Adobe Express. If you want to replace a green screen background quickly and create a cleaner, more polished result, Adobe Express makes the process very simple. I'll walk you through the basic workflow so you can remove the background from your clip or image and place your subject onto something new. First, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the project where you want to create the green screen effect. Starting in the correct project helps you immediately see how your subject will fit with the rest of your design, video, or layout. Next, upload the video or image that has the green screen background. This is the file Adobe Express will use to isolate your subject. If you haven't imported it yet, bring it into your project and place it onto the canvas so it's ready to edit. Once your file is added, select the video or image. This is important because Adobe Express needs to know exactly which element you want to work on. When it's selected, the editing options for that specific file will become available. Now look over to the left panel and find the Remove Background option, then click it. As soon as you do, Adobe Express will begin processing the file. You'll notice a loader appear near the top right of your video, which indicates that the background removal is being applied. Depending on your file size or internet speed, this may take a little time, so just give it a moment and wait for the process to finish completely. After the background has been removed, you can add a new image, a video, or even a solid color to use as the replacement background. This is the part where your project really starts to come together. You can choose something realistic, something branded, or something more creative, depending on the final look you want. Then position and resize your subject as needed. Move it into place, adjust the scale, and make sure it looks natural against the new background. Taking a few extra seconds here can make a big difference in how believable and professional the final result feels. And that's it. That's how to green screen in Adobe Express. Once your background is removed and your subject is placed where you want it, you're ready to continue editing or export your finished project.